Portable power tools can be classified by their source of power. Most common are electric and pneumatic tools, but there are also hydraulic, liquid fuel, and powder-actuated power tools. Some potential hazards are specific to the type of tool being used, and other hazards apply to all power tools. Electric power tools are the most common type. Examples include power saws, drills, and grinders. In addition to contracting the working part of the tool, electric tools present the risk of electrical shock, which can lead to heart failure and burns. To help avoid electrical shock, OSHA specifies that all exposed, non-current carrying metal parts of tools that may become energized must be grounded.